Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on applestudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter numbers and comparing. And the lessons we're going to cover today are write numbers in words, ordinal numbers up to hundreds, Roman numerals, even or odd, and even or odd, arithmetic rules. Okay, here I am on the grade 3 math. The chapter is numbers and comparing. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is write numbers in words. Let's just start with the lesson. How do you write the number using words? So you have to write 45 as in the form of words. First write the tens part, then put a hyphen and write the ones part. If there is no ones part, only write the tens part. So like you pronounce 45, right? So that means you have to write 40 first. Okay, so here is you have to write 40 from the tens line and then 5 from the 1. So together they make 45, right? This way you can write 45 in the form of words, right? Okay, the next example is the next example is how do you write the number using digits? So you are given the number in the form of words, you have to write in the form of digits, right? That is 1. So how do you write 1? You can write 1. You are given in the form of words, you have to write number from numeric form. That would be the numeric form, right? Okay, the next one is how do you write numbers using words? Okay, the number is 67. So first you have to write the tens part and then you have to write the ones part, right? So 60. So this is the tens line. Fine, here you have 60 and the ones digit is 760. 7 it is, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, how do you write the number using digits, right? So you have to write it in the form of digits. 25. How do you write 25? 20. That means the tens digit. This one represents the tens digit. So tens digit is 2 and 5. So it would be 25, right? Yes, the correct option is option number 1. That is 25. How do you write the number using words? You have 45, right? Just look at the options 42, 55, 45. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 45, right? How do you write the number using words 31? How do you write 31? 38, 31. The second option is the correct option, right? You can represent 30 and 1. So that would be 31. Option number 2 is the correct option. How do you write the number using digits? 1. How do you write 1? The correct option is the last one, this one, okay? 1. How do you write the number using words 60, which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 2. This way you can represent the 60. How do you write the number using digits? 40. How do you write 40? 40, you can write like this, right? 4 and 0. That means you have 40. How do you write this number using digits? So how do you write 7? It would be the last option. This way you can write the 7, right? How do you write the number using words 71? How do you write 71? Just write the answer only once. Here it is 71, right? The third option is the correct option. Please write the answer once, otherwise I'm going to block you. Do not create mess. How do you write the number using digits? 11. So how do you write 11? Here it is 11. You can write 11 like this, right? 1 and 1 this way you can write 11. How do you write the number using word 67? How do you write? "67", which is the correct option? The second one, right? You can write 60 and then 7. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just start with the next lesson. And the next lesson is ordinal numbers to 10th, 100th. Let's just start with the second lesson. What is the 55th letter in the passage. So every 10th letter is blue, right? You have to go to 55th letter, right? You can go very easily because you see every blue is the 10th letter. This one is then 10th, this one is then 20th, this one 30th, this one 40th, and this one is 50. 55, count 5 more. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. I in the left is the 51st letter, right? So I in the left is the 55th letter. Okay, the next one is which of the following are ordinal numbers? There, this is ordinal. 44th. These are not ordinal. This is a cardinal number. Cardinal numbers are 14, 8, 1, right? The simple numbers are the cardinals. The one with th, like we can say third, fourth, fifth, you have FTH, RD, or second, you can say first. If you have to add ST, ND, RD, and TH with the letters, they are the ordinals, right? Otherwise, they are the cardinals, right? 1, 8, and 14 are the cardinals. If you write ones or first eighth, then it would be ordinal, right? Okay, the next one is what is the 27th letter in the passage, right? This one is 10, 20. You have to count 27, right? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. R is the 27th letter in the there. Let's just start with the practice questions. Which of the following are ordinal numbers? Which is the correct option? 28, 56, 38. Which is the correct option? Which one is ordinal? 28th, right? That is the ordinal. The other two are the cardinal. No, no, 28th is ordinal. The other two are cardinal. Which of the following are ordinal numbers? Which is the correct option? 26, 84, 67th. Which is the correct option? 67th, right? That would be the ordinal number. Very good. Which of the following are cardinal numbers? You have to write the cardinal. 29th, 56th. Which one is cardinal? 69th and 56th are the ordinals, right? Cardinal is only 20. Very good. The correct option is 20. Which of the following are cardinal numbers? Which is the correct option? Cardinal is the 92, right? Back the rest of the numbers have, you can see 70 second, no, 58, 23rd. You have RD, TH, and ND with rest of the numbers. They are the ordinals, right? Only 92 is the cardinal. 92 is the cardinal. What is the eighth letter in the passage? Okay, this one is the 10th, right? Go back to this is 9 and this is H. That means H in the R is 8 letter, right? The correct option is H. Which of the following are ordinal numbers? Which is the correct option? Ordinal 44th, 1481, which is the correct option? 44th is the ordinal. The first option is the correct option. What is the 55th letter in the passage? Okay, 55th, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Then count 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. That would be I in the left is the 55th letter, right? What is the 50th letter in this passage? So which is the correct option? Which one is 50th? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. U is the 50th letter in the passage. The correct option is U. Which of the following are cardinal numbers? So which is the correct option? Forty-three. Option number one is the correct option. That would be the cardinal. What is the third letter in the passage? Which is the correct option? Third letter is O, right? The correct option is O. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is Roman numerals. Basically, Roman numerals is another way to represent the numbers, right? How would you write 11 as a Roman numeral? So basically, you have to expand 11, right? 10 plus 1 is 11, right? We can write 10 as x And because 11 is one more than 10, it would be, you can put I on the right hand side of the 10, right? If you put I on the right hand side, that means 1 is increasing to 10. If you put I on the left hand side, that means 1 is decreasing and it makes 9, right? So 11 is X and I. How would you write 8 as a Roman numeral? If you expand 8, it would be 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, right? So V is 5. Then you have to add I and I on the right hand side. Let's just start with the practice questions. How do you write 16 as Roman numeral? So which is the correct option? You can expand 16 as 10 plus 5 plus 1. So for 10 you have to write X, for V you have 5 and then you have I. So it would be X, V and I is the 16. It would be X, V and I. Option number 2 is the correct option. How would you write 34 as Roman numeral? You have to write 34, right? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4, right? You can represent 10 as X, X and X. 4 is 1 less than 5. This is 5 and on the left side you have an I that makes 4. So it makes 34, right? That would be X, 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 I, N, V. Correct option is option number 1. How would you, what number does this Roman numeral represents? Okay, you are given now Roman number, you have to see which number it represents, right? For the X you have 10. For the X you have again 10. V is 5 and I is 1. It would be 10 plus 10, 20 and plus 5, 25 and 1. 26. That means X, X, V, I represents 26. The correct option is 26. 26 it is. What number does this Roman numeral represents? Which is the correct option? 8, 9, 10. I and X. X represents 10, right? And before I means that is less than 1. Like 1 less than 10. So that would be 9. The correct option is 9. 9, 9, 9. You can, 10 is just X. How would you write 17 as a Roman numeral? So how do you write 17? 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, right? You can write 10 as x, 5 as b, then you have I and I, so that makes 17. Second one is the correct option, right? What number does the Roman numeral represent? Which is the correct option? 5, 6, 7. V represents 5. I is 1. And on the right hand side, that means you have to add 1. So 5, 6, and 7. That represents the 7. How would you write 25 as a Roman numeral? So you can expand 25 as 10 plus 10 plus 5, right? So 10 is represented by x, then again 10x and 5 is v. It would be xxv, option number. It would be 25 x and v, option number 2 is the correct option. What number does the Roman numeral represent? I and I represents 3. How would you write 11 as Roman numeral? It would be x is for 10 and I on the right side it would be 11x and I, option number 2 is the correct option. How would you write 23 as Roman numeral? It would be 10 plus 10 plus 3, right? XXIII is the correct option. What number does the Roman numeral represent? Which is the correct option? Okay, you have x and x. This one 10. This one 10 this one, 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that would be 33. So the correct option is 33. Option number 1 is the correct option. What number does the Roman numeral represent? It would be 14. How would you write 8 as a Roman numeral? Which is the correct option? You can write 8 as VII and I. Okay, we're done with the lesson. Let's just start with the next one. The next one is even or odd. Which odd number comes before? The numbers are odd. The numbers are odd. Count back 2 from 49 to find the odd number that comes before 49, right? So, the odd number that comes before 49 is 47. Which of the following numbers are odd? So, you are given the numbers, you have to see which one is odd. Odd numbers are the ones that cannot be divisible by 2, or they have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 on their ones place, right? So you can see 91, 93 is odd because you have 3 at the ones position. 91, 1, it is, then you have 3. 93, 91, and 3, they all are odd, right? Which even number come before? Okay, the numbers are even. That means you have to count back 2, right? So 30, before 30 you have to go back to, that would be 28. The correct option is 28. Let's just start with the practice questions. Is 92 even or odd? You have to see if 92 is an even or odd. So just look at the digit at the ones position, right? So at the ones position you have 2, right? And 2 is an even number. So that means 92 is an even number, right? The correct option is even. Which odd number comes next? 23, 25, 27, right? You have to go by, you have to move by 2 digits, right? So right after 27, which is the next even number, odd number, sorry, which is the correct option? It will be 29, right? That means the next number in the pattern is 29, and 29 is an odd number. So the next one is 29. Which of the following numbers are odd? So which is the correct option? Which numbers are odd here? Odd numbers are the ones that are divisible by 2, right? So which numbers are divisible by 2? 86 because you have 6 at the ones position, and 50 because you have 0. So 86 and 50, option number 2 is the correct option. Oh, sorry. Odd numbers are the ones that cannot be divisible by 2, right? So they are 75 and 83. They both are the odd numbers. So the correct option is option 1. Which of the following numbers are even? Even numbers are the one that are divisible by 2. So which is the correct option? The even numbers are 46 and 48. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which even number comes before? So you have to go back to, right? So 30 minus 2 is, which is the next one? It would be, yes, 28. Which of the following number are odd? Which is the correct option? Odd numbers are the ones that cannot be divisible by 2. So they are 93, 91, and 3. They all are. odd. Which of the following numbers are even? Which is the correct option? The even is 92, right? The only even number. Which odd number comes next? Which is the next number right after 37? It would be 37. You guys are here to learn, so just focus on learning. Chatting is the one you have to just communicate with me. Which of the following numbers are even? Which is the correct option? The only even number here is 20. Is 25 even or odd? 25 is an even number, right? Oh, sorry, odd number. 25 is an odd number, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 math. Chapter we're working on is comparing and numbers. Lessons we have covered today are write numbers in words, ordinal numbers to hundredth, Roman numbers and even or odd. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, right? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone. If you have any question, you can please ask. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. Bye everyone. Yes, you can ask. Please ask question. 69 plus 69 you have to add. Just add 9 plus 9 makes 18. 8 and 1 carry. 6 plus 6, 12 and 1, 13. That would be 138. When you add, it makes 138, right? 138. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.